So we're finally on the cab. Last trip, this was quite the ride. Driving in the military seats is absolutely brutal. I've kind of mocked up this Volkswagen seat. It's out of a Volkswagen Jetta. It's a full manual seat, which I like that. I've seen enough of these, motors in these seats burn up, and it's just issues I don't want to have. This, I think, Volkswagen Jetta seats are absolutely comfortable. I'm a tall guy, and these are made for tall people because Germans are very tall. Anyways, kind of have to make the back plate. Also mock up the passenger seat. I haven't quite decided what we're gonna do with the center seat yet. I haven't found a seat that'll fit with minimal amount of fabrication. I'm thinking Ford Transit, but I don't know. So let's get these seats mocked up, and then we'll start doing the carpet on the floor and finish up this cab. So far we have this angle right here, and I've cut a piece of flat bar. Still need to drill the holes for where this part of the seat's gonna mount. Part of making this truck a little bit more comfy, we did obviously the sound deadener, and now we're gonna lay, it's a marine carpet, same carpet we used in the back. It's gonna be a little tricky hiding the seams because I don't really want to sew stuff together, but yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, let's cut this carpet and lay it in here, and then see what we can do next. The easiest way to do this is essentially, there's two pieces, and then there's gonna be 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces should hopefully do it. I mean, it's not a professional job, like I've never done this before, but I want it to look as best as possible. But also I'm not gonna spend 2 weeks on doing a carpet. I'm gonna do it as best as possible, but I'm not a pro. You guys like my pink flower scissor? It's for sensitive people. as you guys saw, we finished up the cab. We got the seats in, we got the carpet in. It's looking really nice. Even when you speak in here now, it's not just an echo. These seats are absolutely comfortable. I love these Volkswagen seats personally, but we'll have to finish off the rest next week. We got to finish up our headliner, got to finish up a little bit here in our door panels. So if you guys like this content, comment, share, like our content, and also subscribe, as that costs nothing. So we'll see you next week.